Hey guys, my name's Fallaize. I'm the drummer for Weak at the Knees. I've been playing for almost 10 years now, and today I'm going to be showing you a little bit about my new Collision Drumsticks 5BRs. Now, I love these drumsticks already. I haven't had them that long, but I normally break sticks. Pro Mark, Vic Firth, you name it, I break them all. These ones can't seem to break. That's why I love them. And they look after me. So today I'm going to just take you downstairs to the new amphitheatre at Leo's Red Lion, the legendary Leo's Red Lion. And we're going to play through one of my band's songs, Lemonade. So Weak at the Knees, Lemonade, let's get rolling.
The world is yours.